Yo. Yo. Can y'all hear me or not? Let me know. Let me know in the comments down below if y'all can hear me. Hey. Oh, I forgot to sign in on my trading view. It doesn't have my settings like when I did last time. All right, what up, everybody? What's poppin'? I'm going to be doing a live stream and video. You already know how it goes. All right, so all we have is unemployment tomorrow. All right, so SPY did break out of that trading range here. Left a little gap here. Hit 607.91. I think I said 606 yesterday. It probably hit 606. Bitcoin tracking. Bitcoin tracking. Falling wedge breakout, and then it should be over 100K here soon. Ethereum macro breakout. This is something I wanted to point out. Ethereum macro breakout. Dogecoin. Dogecoin getting ready to make that bull flag breakout potentially. Tracking perfectly. Cardano, slight pullback to the trend line, but still holding the trend line. Shiba Inu with a nice 7% move. Shiba Inu. XRP, slight pullback, which is to be expected after such a big move. I'm not going to be able to log in. All right, so they got AMC pinned between these buy orders and these sell orders. All right, what up, Bano? What makes you think I was sleeping? What makes you think I wasn't busy? I got a lot going on right now. I got some important moves going on in the background that could set me up nicely for the future. If everything works out, I'll be looking, I'll be sitting pretty. All right, so let's get this started. Sorry about that. I just got a new browser. So I'm using this new browser. It seems to be working pretty good. And let's see here. Let me just share the link real quick. You guys crushed it on yesterday's video. All right, so Bitcoin is looking good, tracking along with my prediction here. I think Bitcoin is going to see control. Hold on, let me I made this too big. All right, so let me see how that looks. That should look pretty good for you guys. Yeah, that looks good. Yep. That looks good. Sorry, guys. This is the first time me running this browser. So I'm just setting everything up. Camera's a little big. All right, I think that looks good. All right, so make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe. Make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe. You already know what it is. Rave. Bro said he wants a rave. What up, Jay? What up, Eric G? Bano, Nana Ape in the building. What up, y'all? Make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe. You already know what it is. So AMC, still working on this trend line, trying to hold this trend line. The most I could do is give it a little bit of leeway here. Like, we're still trying to hold this trend line. Trend line has not broken. And it looks like we're about to break 490. We got this inverse head and shoulders possibly forming. But we need to break back above 490. They were fighting all day to keep us away from 490. If you look at what happened here, you can see they dumped a ton of short shares here on AMC. They dumped a ton. They had 2.5 million. Now they're down to 1.4 million. Dumped a ton of short shares here on AMC stock. New browser seems to be looking fire, working fire. New browser seems to be working fire. GameStop, they've been shorting us down, bro. They've been attacking so hard, bro. GameStop even down here in after hours after a mostly down day. This thing's going to recover, though. This thing's going to recover. We need to get back above 27.25, though. That's the main issue here for GameStop. We need to get back above 27.25, dude.
Classic on the track, boy.
We are seeing bullish momentum start to build. How's the alligator looking? We might have a little bit more downside on GameStop, man. GameStop's probably going to end up coming back down to like 25. Which isn't the worst. We broke our downtrend. And we've been on a huge uptrend. So it's not the worst. But we're going to continue. I'm going to need to stress that we're going to continue to the upside. They shorted us from 30, man. They always keep us under 30, bro. I think margin calls around 30. AMC's pushing up. We still got this gap fill to the upside, gap fill to the downside, not filled. Bitcoin absolutely making moves. Crypto portfolios, all-time highs, baby. Shout out to all the crypto holders, bro. Because this, and I'm telling you guys, if I keep tracking the market perfectly like I have been, altcoin season will come right around the time I'm saying, April, March. And guys, we're playing this perfectly. Also, Ethereum with this macro breakout on the accumulation. Nasty. This thing might break out of this macro accumulation and start rocketing. $27 likes. We got 67 people. I need more people to hit that like button. Yeah, this Opera GX seems pretty good. NVIDIA pushed above that 141 and went right to the price target I said. I said this in yesterday's video. NVIDIA would have to push to 141.04 and then it would go to 146.25 and it literally went to 145.79, like so close to my price target. So crazy. Bro, there was definitely a margin call right here on GameStop, bro. I don't know what you're talking about. Definitely a margin call right here. If you think this thing just ran 600% for no reason, you're crazy. Definitely margin call and shorts covering. But I'm not here to convince you. You guys can believe what you want. Yo, shout out to all the Bitcoin holders. If you got Bitcoin, if you hold Bitcoin, drop a B in the chat. If you got Bitcoin, drop a B in the chat. If you hold crypto, drop a B in the chat as well. Guys, I've been seeing huge things with that Mona too. Or what is it called? Mona? What is the new thing called? The new movie? Mona, yeah. Mona 2. Bro, I've been hearing huge news about that movie. That thing's blowing up. All right, so here's what we need to talk about on this video. We need to talk about Mona 2, XRP, possible ETF that would send XRP to the moon. And we need to talk about the crypto, Ethereum possible breakout. I need to talk about, damn it, unemployment dropping. SPY looks like it's consolidating, probably going to push up to about, let me see where the RSI is at. RSI overbought in the 4 hour, like I thought it would get. Daily, so it's probably gonna go like the 608. Oh, there's a big gap on the daily time frame. Yeah, SPY's just leaving so many gaps, it's insane. Look at this gap, look at this gap. Look at this gap. This gap is crazy. So we're gonna go into that overbought and then pull back. 608.50 is gonna be, I bet 608. No, I'm gonna call it perfectly. 60, 609, 609.90. This uptrend. It's gonna go to 6. It's gonna go to 6. It's gonna go to 609, 608, 609. AMC 491 close. What? AMC closed at 491. Hell yeah. Okay, that's bullish. AMC's going back over 490. We're going to recover. We're going to recover. We're going back over 490. And this is for Thursday. So by the end of Thursday, we should be back over 490. No, not today. It's not going to be today. It's going to be, I'll tell you the exact day Bitcoin's going to cross 100,000. It's going to cross 100,000 December the 8th. December the 8th. So December the 8th, we will break 100,000. Between December the 6th and the 8th. Well, I should say the 8th and the 9th. Between the 8th and the 9th, we'll break 100,000. I'm going to call that out. Hey. What up, everybody? What's good with you guys? H City in the building. Sean in the building. XLM's doing fine. Here's the new rave. Eric G, if you're still here, here's the new rave music. It's the best rave music yet. XLM's going to go to a new all-time high, bro. It just needs to hold 53 cents. So it needs to break back about 53 cents and hold that level. If it can hold 53 cents, we're going to go to 69 cents. It's the best rave music, bruh. Yeah, we got 76 people in the building. Shout out to everybody here right now. I appreciate you. I appreciate you. Hey, if you guys don't mind, make sure you drop a like on the video when the video does drop, because you will obviously be watching the video live, but I give that little spew every single time. If you don't mind, if you just see the video, if you would just drop a like on it. Plus, I add additional context and clips, so you might want to check it out anyways. But yesterday's video, we got 1.9K views. We were so close to 2,000 too. I knew that thumbnail. I knew that thumbnail was gonna hit, and that title. I have 3 rave songs. 3 official rave songs for us. I'll put this Stellar Lumens TA in the in the video. I'll put stellar lumens and I'll put XRP. We play the last jam. This John hit, bro. Michigan is freezing. Should I get another beer? All right, we got 80. We got 80. Hold on. That deserves a celebration. All right, DZ fam, I got my favorite tea. Make sure you guys get your favorite tea. Cheers. It's tea time. My tea's a little frothy. We got 80 people in the building. It deserves a celebration. Let me get ready for the video. Cheers, everybody. Make sure you guys hit the like button and subscribe. And also, when the video comes out, make sure you drop a like on the video. AMC still has the gap fill to the upside. Gap fill to the downside still there, though. I don't see any reason why. Let me check the alligator. Could we be consolidating? We're still holding the trend line. If the trend line breaks, then we're coming down for the gap fill. If not, we're coming up for this gap fill first. Then we need to see how we play out, because you could create a double top or something like that. So I'm going to be very real about y'all with this. Like, we're on track. We're pumping. We're holding the trend line, but we need to take it one step at a time, baby. Whoa! Eric G, unbelievable. You didn't have to do it, brother. You didn't have to do it, brother, and you did it. Wow, thank you. Eric G with the gifted, bro. Who just got Anthony Walker? You just got gifted. You just got gifted a free membership from Eric G. Thank you, bro. He was trying to get Nana Ape, because Nana Ape's been wanting a membership. So he was trying to get Nana Ape a membership. Anthony G, you deserve it. Anthony G, if you're watching right now, please thank the legend Eric G. Eric G, the legend himself. You didn't have to do it, but you did, brother. Thank you. Thank you for the super chat, bro. Or the for the gifter. That's what's up for that, bro. Doge or Shiba Inu making a nice move here. I'm going to cover Shiba Inu technicals as well. This is actually a major level. So if it can hold that, you could see a nice push up. I'm going to cover all that in the video. See, they do group cryptocurrency and meme stocks together. They group cryptocurrency and meme stocks together. So I'm telling you guys, like, if crypto runs, meme stocks will run. Crypto pumping and meme stocks pumping have very much to do with each other. All I hold now as far as stocks is AMC, GME. I took profit on my NDAQ and SQQQ. I think those are the only stocks I hold. So I'm mostly all in on crypto now. And I'll just be trading stocks. I'm going to check my account real quick. I took profit on NDAQ around all-time highs. Yeah, I have some cash I can deploy too from NDAQ profits. Yep, as QQQ, GME, and AMC in both accounts. That's all I hold. I have some cash I can deploy because of dividends racking up. The dividends always just rack up, so, and I have some cash I can deploy because of NDAQ profits. But I might just cash that out and put that in crypto. In fact, I'm about to do that right now. I'm about to just cash that straight out and put that in crypto. I took profit on NDAQ right around 80. And if you can see, the top was 83. I think it's going to go higher, but I took profit on this stock. I accumulated down here, took profit. It was a good like 30%, 40% banger. Yeah, 70% high to low. I think I'd pulled out like 50% like that off of my trade, and then collected dividends the whole time, which was a plus. And now I'm sitting on a bag with that I could deploy. So I might buy the XRP dip or something like that. And then I have this small portfolio that I want to do something with of Ethereum that is now in profits. And the BTC is now in profits. So I'm actually going to sell the BTC. Because that is now in profits. And this will give me money to buy more coins. Because so I just took profit on Bitcoin. And I am up on an Ethereum trade, which I'm going to take profit on and then buy like XLM or XRP or something like that. But I've been using Webull Pay to trade crypto. And now that I know it works, I'm going to start putting more money into it. I had free money on there, basically, because I got it for people signing up and stuff like that, affiliates. And then I flipped that money higher. But now that I know that Webull Pay, I can transfer to my wallet, I might start adding funds. All right, but let's get into this video. We're already about 45 minutes into this live stream. I was gonna do about like an hour and a half live stream. Let's see how many views we got. Already 350 views. Wow, nice. Thank you, everybody. Man, we about to be, you know, shit. This might even drop a thou bomb on this, and then might drop a thou bomb on the video. Who knows? We'll see how it goes. And what time is it? Yeah, we want to get that out because we want to get the video done by 8. We're gonna have to edit. I trade SPY options. I trade AMC options, GME options, and I trade shares sometimes. But no, I do not trade futures. Do not trade futures. And that's something I want to tell people in the videos too. Like, y'all need to start trading, bro, because like some of these people are like, oh, I don't make no money and stuff like that. Like, motherfucker, there's money to be made, bro. How are you not making no money? All these dips that they create, all that does is create opportunity to buy the dip and make money. Right there's a 24% move right there alone. This was a 400% move. Like, there's money to be made, bro. Money to be made. Like, people got to start trading and stuff like that. Buy an option or buy some extra shares to trade. I don't know how your broker works, but you can literally buy shares and sell separate shares. Like, it depends on how your broker works. Like, if you got tax lock, you can buy shares and then sell those shares for profit. Cheers, DZ fam. What up, Marco? How you been, brother? DH. What up, DH? Shout out for everybody being here right now. I can't believe Eric G did a gifted. That's insane. Let me do a quick little promo video. By the way, I am rocking the merch right now. So make sure you check out the merch store. Whoa, VT with 5 gifted? Dude, thank you, bro. You did not have to do that at all. Bro, thank you. VT with the 5 gifted, bro. V&T. Unbelievable. Mr. Turner, Jacob. Still no Nana Ape, though. Nana Ape, you need to make more comments, man. Make sure you have gifting enabled, too, in Nana Ape, because if gifting isn't enabled, you won't be able to get a gifted. So make sure gifting's enabled. But, yeah, this is the merch. Check out the merch store, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. But check out the merch store. Absolute Madness tee. DZ on the fitted. People are trying to get you, Nana Ape. You need to make more comments. So, yeah, please hit the like button if you guys don't mind. Hit the like button, please. That helps me out a lot. You guys do not know how much it helps. It helps out a ton when you hit the like button. And if you can get people to subscribe, it helps a lot too.
Hey DJ, you made this?
All right, yo, check it out. We are live right now covering stocks and crypto. I'm also about to be dropping a video. So if you're watching this, make sure you check out my channel. We're doing live predictions and stocks for stocks and crypto, AMC, GME, SPY, XRP, XLM, Cardano, Bitcoin, and so much more. Bitcoin making moves. Make sure you tune in. You can see we are live right now and people are actually getting gifted. So if you want to chop in the live, you can. Maybe you'll even get a gifted. 5 gifted was just given out. We're covering AMC, GameStop, SPY, Bitcoin, and much, much more. So make sure you lock in. Also, if you're new to this channel and you're just seeing this for the first time, lock in for accurate stock and crypto predictions. For example, here's my Bitcoin prediction, this white dotted line you can see here on your screen, and you can see how it's tracking perfectly for Bitcoin to break over 100K. And I'm calling altcoin seasons and different altcoins that are popping off and stock and plays as well. So like and subscribe. Hope to see you there.
Alright, yo, check it out, G.
I appreciate you all for being here, man. I really do. Thank you for being here right now. I'm just going to set up this video and then start to set it up and then set up this quick promo video. It'll just take 2 seconds, and then I'm going to start the video for tonight. So little do you guys know, those promo videos help so much because they let people know that I'm live, because you can see that I'm live when you click the video. And shorts get like extra promotion because YouTube wants shorts to succeed. Thank you guys for being here, man. You guys are the best. Cheers, Nana 8. Bano said she can't sleep. Rockets in the chat. This is the hub for all the cool people in stocks. Like, all the cool people in stocks hang out over here. Anybody who's like actually popping and like actually like has some level of cool, they come to this stock channel. All the cool kids hang out here. DZ is where all the cool... Yo, DZ live stream is where the cool lunch table. I'm about to post that. I'm posting that. Where's Karen? Bro, the only one holding the bag is you, bro. I made money. I made way more money than I lost on AMC for sure. Way more money. In fact, if I locked in this loss right now that I have on AMC, I would still be in profit. It's the game, bro. You win trades and you lose trades. Chuck is fucking so negative. This guy is so negative, bruh. This guy's so negative, bro. You could tell he's losing money. Mofos are making money, bro. I don't understand what people don't get. You can tell who's not making money by the people bitching in the comments. Those are the ones who not making money, bro. Those are the ones who bitch in the comments. They're only bitching in the comments because they're the ones not making bread. What up, Anthony? What's good, man? Nana said she's a happy bag holder because she's drunk. It's like, nah, I'm kidding. I'm kidding, Nana. She feels no emotions. She feels nothing. Nothing but conviction. That is what Nana Ape feels. Oh, don't start this wacky. All right, let's get this video started. We're actually almost at 500 views. Wow. Multiple gap fills to the upside on SQQQ. Multiple gap fills to the upside. That's crazy. It left all my stuff from down there. I'm never going to be able to fix this chart because of the reverse split. It left all my stuff down there. What the heck? Alright, I'll deal with it later. I'll deal with it later off camera, and then let me get to this video. OCD kicking in. OCD kicking in. I'm so close to the end. There. Good. Okay. All right, let's get it. What up, Manuel? Yeah, I can't believe we got 6 brand new members for this live stream. You guys are amazing. Shout out V and T and shout out Eric G. Absolute fucking legends, for real. Thank you guys so much, man. Absolute madness. Thank you guys for real. What up, Ghost Man? What's good with you, bro? Make sure you guys hit the like button if you're just popping in. Make sure you hit the like button if you're just popping in. Wow, a lot of people showed up. You guys are amazing, y'all. I love the DZ fam. 65 people in the building right now. 63 likes. Hell yeah. Numbers, baby. You guys are the best. All right, let's get this show on the road, baby. All right, guys, what is up? You are back for another video with DataZero. In this video, we're looking at AMC, GME, SPY, the usuals. We're also diving deep into cryptocurrency, so make sure you watch to the end of the video because that's where I do cover the cryptocurrency news and predictions. This video is not financial advice, should not be taken as such. Please do your own research and due diligence before buying any stock or crypto asset. I stress that highly. This video is not financial advice. This is simply my research and due diligence. Now, I just want to point out quickly right off the bat that Bitcoin is tracking along with our prediction right now, and I will cover this later in detail, but we are getting ready to break over that 100K mark, and I'm actually going to give you a specific date that we could potentially do it. Of course, this could be obviously wrong, but I'm going to give you a specific date. Obviously, do not make bets on this, but that's going to be at the end of the video, so stay tuned into the crypto section. Now, the first thing I do want to hop into is the meme stocks. First thing I am going to be covering here is AMC and the struggle that AMC is forming right now. We are in an absolute battle for AMC stock. You can see that we are holding this overall trend line right here, and we are still holding that trend line. We fought hard today, and we tried to get above and hold 490. Of course, they did short us down, and we can actually prove that they shorted us down by looking at the short shares. They dumped over 1 million short shares here on AMC. They have 2.5 million at the beginning of the day. Actually, 10 hours ago, they had even more than that at the beginning of the day, 2.7 million at the max, it seems like. But now they're down to 1.4 million short shares for AMC stock, getting low here for AMC. Now, we could see them increase short shares, but this is good that we're seeing them get low on ammo on AMC and both GME, because you can see that GME ammo is remaining low. They haven't been able to get over 2 million short shares. They've actually haven't been able to even get over 1.5. You can see that it's actually at 1 million short shares right now at time of recording. This could increase, but the short shares being low means that it could alleviate some of that bearish pressure and those attacks that we've been seeing, and that means we could get a movement to the upside. So this is good for AMC and GME. Also, cost to borrow starting to move up. It got a spike to the upside here during the day for GameStop. It is now stable at 0.37%, slightly moving to the upside and finding a bottom. We want to see cost to borrow going up. Cost to borrow would be a sign that the stock is going to make a move. Now, bad news here for AMC. We had cost to borrow drop off a cliff for AMC stock. So that is some bad news. 0.42% cost to borrow. We definitely want to see that cost to borrow go higher. We got to drop off a cliff here, and then we've been consolidating, and we had another drop off a cliff, and they've been utilizing that heavy, shorting it a lot, and that's why we're seeing AMC start to lose some of that momentum, because they've been shorting it very, very heavily. You see that all these white gray bars, that's all shorting volume. So they are shorting a lot here on AMC stock, and you can see that yellow line is volume as well, saying that it is increasing, and they've been shorting heavily. So that's why we are seeing some pullback. AMC was seeing this overall massive push to the upside with this overall uptrend, and we are still holding the trend line. So as long as we continue to hold the trend line, then we will be okay. Okay, so we are holding that trend line, and I do think we're going to be okay on that. So we're looking good to see a continuation to the upside for AMC, and it looks like we're actually going to form a recovery here on 490. So I didn't have this yesterday, but I have this now. The price action that we're forming, this rounded bottom, shows that most likely AMC is going to be able to break back above 490 and then use that level support. So it looks like tomorrow here on Thursday, we're going to be breaking back above 490 and holding that level of 490. And if we do hold 490 as support, that means we can push towards $5, and that means we can form a recovery. So we are forming a rounded bottom, possibly in even like an inverse head and shoulders type structure here. I'll go ahead and just show you guys what I mean by that. But you have this like shoulder structure here, this head here, and then a possible shoulder structure here, which could see a nice push up towards that gap fill at 502 to 503, which we do have this gap fill here for AMC stock. Now, I do want to keep in mind and keep everybody heads on straight and just show you guys a couple different things that could happen. What most likely is going to happen is we're going to hold the levels, break above 490 tomorrow, and then start heading back towards $5 on Friday, which could potentially cause a potential problem for the shorts, because if we get over $5, they're going to start have to hedging for calls, and that could give us a gamma ramp. They do not want us anywhere near $5, especially on Friday. Remember, Fridays are one of the most manipulated day. So if we do start to get a recovery on Thursday, that's going to be a big problem for the shorts. And the fact that we do have little to no short shares available to borrow right now, that could be a very good sign. If that stays the status quo heading into tomorrow and we see little to no shorts in the morning, shares available to borrow, we could definitely see a bullish push here on Thursday, and that could cause problems on Friday, giving us a gamma ramp and a nice push to the upside, giving us a very green week here for AMC stock, which I did call for a green week here on AMC. So it looks like we're holding this trend line. Looks like we're probably going to head back out for this gap fill. If we confirm 490 as support, that gives us a good confirmation that we're going to head towards $5 and head towards this gap fill, and we are holding this trend line. Now, I do want to play devil's advocate. If we did break the trend line and break down underneath the trend line and confirm the trend line as resistance, you're going to see AMC come down to this gap fill at 462 to 468, and then you'll probably see a recovery back to the upside and then an overall uptrend. Obviously, that would take longer, and that's not what people want. Right now, we are holding the trend line, and what I think personally is going to happen is we're going to hold the trend line and push up and continue towards $5, potentially causing a problem here at the end of the week if we do potentially get towards that $5 level and get that potential gamma ramp. So pay close attention to short shares available to borrow. Right now, at time of recording, they have 1.4 million for AMC, which is absolutely nothing, and they only have 1 million for GME, so they are running low on short shares available to borrow for both of the meme stocks. Now, as far as GME is concerned, we want to see GME get a recovery. It actually got rejected from this 27.25 level here today and use that as resistance, so that is not good. But we are still holding key levels and making higher lows. So potentially we could see a little bit more downside towards 25.67 for GameStop, which is not what I want. But it looks like we will be able to make a recovery and push up. And again, when in doubt, zoom out. GameStop has been on an absolute tear. You can see that the last month we were up 30%. So GameStop is absolutely making moves. And I just read an article about how crypto and GameStop are kind of tied together in people's minds. And crypto having a bull run, I believe meme stocks are going to be having a bull run and or potential squeezes as well. And last time we seen crypto move was when we actually seen those bigger moves for both of the meme stocks. Crypto was running around the time where AMC and GME took off those last times, and we are now having crypto run again. So I do think crypto is correlated with the meme stocks. Now, you can see that we came up. We tried to stay above 30. They do not want us above 30. I believe that margin calls actually occur at $30, and that's why we've seen these explosive moves to the upside. That's why we've seen shorts cover like Andrew left, and that's why we've seen shorts covering on these bigger moves. I believe that after or around $30 is when margin calls begin to occur, because people were shorting as low as this $9.95 level, and if you're all the way up at $30, people are going to be like, yo, you're underwater like 400 or 500%, bro. You need to start coughing up some cash, especially if this thing starts running and shorts start covering. Margin calls, I do believe, occurred on these last pumps, and obviously the pumps that we've seen way back in 2020 and 2021. So I think that's why they fight so hard to keep us underneath that $30 level. Right now, they did reject us from $30 here, and we want to see a recovery and move back towards $30 here for GameStop. Right now, we are on track for a red week. We could get a recovery. It is not over till it's over. Meme stocks are very, very volatile, and we could definitely see a pump to the upside, but we want to see GameStop get back above 27.25, okay? We need to get back above 27.25, and that's going to see us have a nice move back to the upside if we can get back above that level. What I'm expecting to see tomorrow for GameStop is consolidation here in pre-market, retesting 26.82 as support, using that level of support, and then start working its way back towards 27.25, which is where we want it to be. Once we break back over 27.25, that's when you'll be able to see GameStop start to make a decent recovery back towards $30, but we need to break above that key support and resistance level. Now, basically, everything I'm seeing here with the technicals, when in doubt, zoom out. You can see that we're very bullish here on the weekly. We're very bullish here on the macro. As far as that's concerned, we're breaking out of this falling wedge. We had this push up, we had this bullish consolidation, and we're leading to another push up. I told you guys a scenario in yesterday's video as well on a similar falling wedge. Again, this is Bitcoin, this is completely different, but you can see the technical similarities. You have a falling wedge, you get a nice push up, then you build a bullish base. This is the entrance of a bull run, okay? So this is what bull runs look like when they start. They're boring. They're methodical, they're sideways, but they lead into much bigger movements. And you can see that Bitcoin broke out of the falling wedge. It slowly went up. It consolidated for a long time, months. You can see it consolidated for months. Literally from April, all the way to like October, okay? So it consolidated for months before it pushed up, but once it pushed up, it made a massive move. You can see GameStop is doing something very, very, very similar, and the falling wedge breakout gives you a price target to new all-time highs, so we could see a push up very, very high. Now, you guys can see that we have the falling wedge breakout. We broke out of it. We started to push up. We had that huge squeeze because we started bottoming, and margin calls came in because we broke over 30. We are now consolidating and trying to push up again. Ladies and gentlemen, if we get this second move, the second push to the upside, you're going to see a pump for GameStop going into a possible bull run or short squeeze maneuver. So I am still hopeful for GameStop. I think we're going to see recovery. Obviously, they're throwing wrenches into our spokes. That's what they do. They're short sellers. They want us to be discouraged. They want this thing to take forever, and they short us down, and they kick the can down the road, but they're fighting a losing battle because they're constantly having to pay money. We simply just have to hold and continue to play options when we get these big moves and bank. And obviously, ladies and gentlemen, everybody's doing different things, but I see the people in the comments like complaining and stuff like that. Those people are probably not making money. I'm not sitting here to say this to brag, but I've made money on this move on GameStop. I've made money on this move on GameStop, this move on AMC, several other of these moves on the way down, this move on AMC, and I'm overall profitable on AMC. So it's all about how you play it. Learn to trade, learn to buy the bottom, learn to sell the tops, learn to take risks off the table. And that's all things that I teach here. So please like and subscribe so you can start getting on this game. And also I look at different plays as well. You don't have to just wait on AMC, XLM, XRP, Bitcoin. All of these things are popping off. So there's opportunities all over the market. So I implore you to hit that like button and subscribe and lock in. That way you can learn what you need to learn to be successful in the market. But this is what I'm looking at for AMC and GME. I think the meme stocks are bottoming. You can see green monthly MACD and green weekly MACD. These are key signs. These are macro signs. These are signs not to be ignored. And again, just comparing Bitcoin because I want to show you guys what a bull run looks like when it's starting. That's what you get. You get that green monthly MACD. You get that consolidation, that green weekly MACD. You also get those macro buy signals like the super trend buy signals on the bigger times like the monthly time frame and the weekly time frame. And that's what we've gotten on AMC. You can see these buy signals have not gone away. This is showing us that the meme stocks are bottoming and they are going to trend up, but it's the beginning of the bull run. It's slow, it's methodical, it takes time. And I know some people say that this is hopium and stuff like that, but ladies and gentlemen, all I'm doing is showing you what the charts are telling me. And if you followed my track record and followed my channel, you've seen that I have been very accurate. Nobody's going to be right about every single thing, but I've been highly accurate about my predictions on Bitcoin, AMC rallies, GME rallies, Bitcoin, SPY, and so much more. So make sure you guys lock in and hit that like and subscribe button. I'm simply telling you what the charts tell me. You must believe what you believe and do what you have to do. Everybody is making their own decisions. Now, let's go ahead and move into SPY in the overall stock market and show you guys what is going on with that. Now, SPY did get that pop to the upside. I told you guys if SPY broke out of that trading range, it was going to get a nice pop to the upside. Did leave a massive gap fill. We have this gap fill here on the daily, but we have this gap fill now as well. Still in this overall uptrend. I believe SPY is going to at least 608, 6010, or I'm sorry, not 6010, 608, 610 before pulling back, okay? So I believe SPY is going to 608, 610. It's in an overall rally, and I believe this is part of that blow off top. Multiple gap fills to the downside. I know people say I'm crazy. Hey, SPY is going to go up forever, but again, this is the market, and you guys have to believe what you want to believe. I'm simply telling you what the charts are telling me, and the charts are telling me that RSI is overbought here on the daily time frame. RSI is starting to get overbought here on the weekly time frame with that bearish divergence as well. Price continuing up while RSI is trending down. Also, monthly RSI is getting overbought. Every time we enter that, we start getting these major pullbacks. You can see that here. So the charts are telling me that SPY is topping out, but it has a ton of momentum, and it's not just gonna die. Okay, it's gonna make a blow off top. It's gonna make new highs. It's gonna continue up, but there's gonna be a time where something happens and then SPY will start to trend down. So basically what I'm doing is playing it level by level, ear by ear. I told you guys I thought SPY was going to get a pop to the upside before pulling back. It's in this overall uptrend, creating a gap fill to the downside. RSI starting to get overbought exactly like I said it would. And I think it's going to start to top out at 608 to 610. So that is what I'm looking at for SPY, and also some other things to back up that this is potentially going to be happening is you can see that one of the key leaders on what has been pulling this market up so far is Apple. Apple is starting to top out here. Now, that doesn't mean it couldn't get another push to the upside, but you can see RSI is extremely overbought, and it's now starting to trend down, which means momentum is fading. MACD starting to trend down, which means momentum is fading. MACD 2-hour time frame starting to go red, which means momentum is fading. And this trend line, this overall uptrend, looks like it's going to be broken soon. Like, you could get one more pop to the upside, taking SPY to, like I said, that 508, 510 level, but then it's going to break underneath that, and then it's going to start to pull back, and that's going to take SPY back. And then once Apple starts to pull back from this big pop, it's going to pull back in a big way. Now, also Nvidia helped it as well, but Nvidia's RSI is getting overbought as well, and there's major resistance at that 146.25. I told you guys in yesterday's video that a SPY broke and held 141.05. You could see a push up to this 146.25, and we literally came up to about 145.80, so I was just a few cents off there. And you guys can see once we held that level of support, you got that big push up. But now RSI is getting overbought, so unless you consolidate, Nvidia won't be able to push up. And these are the two stocks that I really watch to determine what's going to be happening on SPY and stuff like that, as well as NASDAQ, because they really are one of the biggest market movers and market leaders when it comes to weighting and how much control they have over the movement of SPY. Now you can see NASDAQ also got this crazy pop to the upside out of this rising wedge, but creating this gap to the downside as well. So again, these gaps will get filled, and RSI extremely overbought. So we're just in extremely frothy territory that I don't think is sustainable in my personal opinion. Now, that's what I'm looking at for SPY in the overall market. I think SPY is going to pull up to about 510, or I'm sorry, it's not 5, 6. 608, and then start to pull back. Now, let's go ahead and go into BTC and show you guys what's going on for Bitcoin. Now, I told you guys in the beginning of this that Bitcoin was tracking perfectly. We're starting to get these buy signals on the bigger time frames. 2-hour time frame buy signal, 4-hour time frame buy signal. Things are starting to look extremely bullish for BTC to push past 100K. Now, a lot of people think that 100K is going to be such a crazy resistance that you couldn't see a move to the upside. And I think that so many people think that it might do the opposite and it might hit 100K, use it as support and push up to like 110, 115, which I think will start to be the point where we're ranging out. There is going to be major resistance at 100K though. That's definitely, without a doubt, it's going to be a major psychological level. RSI has cooled down here on the daily time frame, allowing us to maybe potentially get another push up. But right now, we're tracking perfectly with my prediction, and I think we could be breaking 100K around December the 8th to December the 9th. Again, do not make bets on stuff like this, but that is when I think we'll be breaking 100K here for BTC. Between those 2 days, especially if my prediction continues to track out the way it is tracking. Now, I wanted to point out something here for Ethereum. This is absolutely huge. Ethereum getting the weekly buy signal, potentially getting ready to break out of this macro accumulation. If Ethereum continues to go to like 3.94K, you're going to, and hold those levels, you're going to see Ethereum blast off. And I told you guys Ethereum was undervalued. It's going to make a nasty move at least towards 5.5, maybe even 6K. Probably much higher than that, but Ethereum's getting ready to make a nasty. The same way Bitcoin made a nasty move up once it broke away from this accumulation range from like around 69, and I got away from that and made a huge move up. That's what Ethereum's getting ready to do. It's getting ready to make a huge move to the upside. I have it actually at a 6K price target at least here for Ethereum. So I think Ethereum's going to start moving to the upside here soon, especially if it can break out of this macro accumulation. We need to see if it holds. But if it does hold, we could see that big push to the upside here for Ethereum. So that's something you guys want to be aware of. Some technicals I wanted to point out here is Dogecoin. Dogecoin getting ready to break out of this bull flag. Also tracking with my prediction as well. Price target for that is going to be like 46, 48 cents, maybe even as high as 50 cents. And that is going to be for Dogecoin. Now, I did want to put this in the SPY segment. We do have unemployment dropping here on Friday, and Friday is probably going to be when SPY starts to pull back. I will try to remind people that in the SPY section, but Friday is going to be when SPY probably starts to pull back with those unemployment numbers. Those unemployment numbers are supposed to come out hot. You can see that the coins that I'm looking at, XLM, XRP, these are coins I told you to look at, ADA, Algorand, HBAR, those are all very good coins. So what we need to see for XLM is we need to see a break above 53 cents. If we can hold 53 cents, you could easily push towards the 67-cent range. And if we can break above 79 cents, then we could push for all-time highs. But I believe that once this bull run is said and done, and I believe altcoin season is coming around March and April of 2025, I think it's when it's all said and done. XLM is going to have a new all-time high. XRP is going to have a new all-time high. And ADA is going to have a new all-time high for sure. Now, a coin that is making moves right now as we speak is Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu, if it can hold this level here of about 3085 and hold that as support, you could see a decent push to the upside for Shiba Inu. So keep that in mind as well. Shiba Inu making moves right now. I think altcoins will definitely blast off once Bitcoin breaks 100K. Then I think Bitcoin's going to kind of range and then start to pull back. And then potentially go into like, you know, an intermediate bear market and maybe make a new high similar to the last bull run, but we'll play that by ear when that comes out. But I think we're going to at least like 110, 115 before topping out. And I think we could even go much higher, especially as the Trump presidency gets along and we get more crypto news. We're already getting crazy things like the XRP ETF, which would send XRP absolutely flying if we got the XRP ETF. And then also some news for AMC, like the box office is going crazy. Mona 2 absolutely doing numbers. So we do have bullish narratives here for AMC. And then, of course, XRP, some news to look up for that is a potential ETF, spot ETF. If that did come out, it would send XRP to at least $5 easily. So shout out XRP holders. XRP, if it can break and hold $2.50, you could see a significant move to the upside. So you want to see it hold $2.50. It's having some pullback right now, but that's to be expected. It could even come down as low as $1.97, and that would be a great buy. But I think it's going to find support and then break above 250. I think XRP still has a lot left in the tank, and this thing's going to be continuing to the upside, especially as Gary Gensler resignation comes closer and that officially happens and Trump presidency goes into play. 2025 is going to be crazy for the crypto space. And if you're not in the crypto world, maybe you want to check it out. Not financial advice. Learn about it. Again, lock in, like, and subscribe, because I'm going to be teaching people how to buy, sell, different platforms that are safe, how to safely store your crypto, and all types of things like that. I go live all the time, so we drop gems about stocks, crypto. So if that's interesting to you, like and subscribe right now, and that helps support the channel. If you want to support the channel in a different way, you can drop a super chat, you could drop a gifted on the live stream. We're actually live right now recording this video, so we do this so we can hang out, and you guys can get the information when needed. Also, I got the merch store as well. I'm rocking merch right now, and we got all types of stuff for kids, girls, pets, all types of things. So if you guys want to check that out, I'd greatly appreciate it. We're constantly adding new stuff, so you guys can check out the link in the comment section and description of this video. And I appreciate you guys if you watched the video to this point, because so few people watch to this point, and it helps me out a ton if you watch to the end. And if you're watching on the live stream, I'd appreciate it if you just go ahead and drop a like when the video does come out, and I add additional clips as well. And as always, y'all, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out. All right, y'all. That was the video. You know what it is. What do you guys think? Was it poop? Was it trash? Was it good? Was it great? Was it gorgeous? What are you guys thinking? No way. Todd, you've been going too hard, brother. I appreciate you. Todd showing his support. Todd showing his support in another way. The best way, in my opinion. But everyone, I just appreciate it if you just like and subscribe and watch the videos. Thank you, Todd. That's going to put us at 7 new members. That's insane. Thank you, bro. That's actually crazy. 7 new members for a late night live stream. Awesome. Always on point. Thank you. Peace out, Bano. Yeah, make sure you guys hit that like button. We're kind of making a bull flag right now on Bitcoin. It could push up past 100,000 a little bit earlier than I think. How do people, like, it's like people tuned in when I was doing the video. They, like, knew. How did they know? How the heck did they know? All right, y'all. So that was the live stream. We're actually at 1.5 hours, which is exactly what I wanted to do. So I'm probably going to wrap it up here. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Oh, I should have said about AMC. I think the margin calls come around $6. That's why Kramer doesn't want AMC at 6. That's why he wants you to sell it at 6 because I just posted it on Twitter. So if we go to 6, we go to the moon, and I'm telling you guys. All right, y'all, I'm going to wrap it up. I appreciate y'all for being here. You already know what it is, man. As always, have fun. Whoa! Dude, thank you, Chris. That's going to put us at 9 new members for this late light live stream. We streamed 1.5 hours. 9 new members. That's crazy, brother. Thank you so much, bro. Shout out Chris, bro. Shout out Chris. Still no Nana Ape, though. Still no Nana Ape, man. Nana Ape, make sure you have gifting enabled, bro, because you should have been got one. Yeah, hit the notification bell to make sure you always get so you always know when I'm live. But yeah, I'm gonna wrap it up. That puts us at 12 new members for the day. I appreciate y'all so much, for real, dude. 12 new members, my goodness. Thank you, man. I appreciate it, for real. Make sure you guys drop a like on the video when it comes out. And as always, y'all, have fun. Stay safe. Make money. Peace out. See ya, Nana Ape. See ya, Regular Potato. See ya, Chris. See ya, Todd. See ya, Jonathan. Cook. Bano. Ghostman. Todd in the building. Yo, check it. Thank you, Fishy. I appreciate it. Yeah, that type of support is always appreciated.
How you do that? How you do that?
What's good, brother? I'm actually getting ready to log off and drop this video. This is the outro, baby. see if it can break out of this macro accumulation. We need to see if it... All right, guys, what... Bitcoin setting up for the bull flag breakout. What up, Kat? What up, Kat? You just came in for the outro. I'm about to drop a video. I appreciate you tuning in. Make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe. Bitcoin getting ready to break out of the bull flag breakout. Thank you all for tuning in, man. I appreciate y'all. This was the outro, baby. I'm gonna let it stream for 10 more minutes. 10 more minutes, and we'll officially reach 2 hours, and then I'm gonna shut her down. So 10 more minutes.
Let's go. All right, guys, what is up? Let's go. All right, guys, what is up?
We lit to the very end, baby. I really appreciate everyone showing up. No way! Eric G with another gifted. And we're almost at 90 likes. We're about to break 100 likes. Yo, how we about to break 100 likes? Ghost Vapors got the gifted. Ghost Vapors got the gifted. Nana 8, make sure you have gifting enabled. Everyone hit that like button. Let's see if we can break 100 likes. Ooh, Bitcoin, little bit of a pullback. Bitcoin, little bit of a pullback. Can it hold the line? How do we still got 37 people in the building? All right, we're officially about to break the 2-hour mark. All right, that's all she wrote, folks. We officially reached the 2-hour mark. Cheers, everybody. I appreciate you guys for being here. Video drops in about 5 or 10 minutes. Video's going to be dropping in about 5 or 10 minutes. Make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe on the video. I appreciate you. Thank you, everybody, man. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yeah, we got 750 views, man. You guys are insane. And 14 new members. You guys are freaking insane. Thank you guys for all the support so much, for real. All right, Bitcoin getting the bounce on the bull flag. Bull flag getting ready to break out for Bitcoin. And I'm shutting it down in 5, 4. Is Momo here? Momo? I don't see Momo. All right, guys, I'm the real. I'm the real. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Thank you, Sanjay. I'm the real Rowan Kitty. Thank you, brother, man. You guys are the best. I'm shutting it down in 5, 4, 3, 2. I'm really doing it this time. I'm shutting it down. You guys keep going crazy, making me not want to shut down. The video's dropping. The video's uploading right now, so I gotta drop it down. All right, guys, I really gotta shut it down. I'm sorry. You guys are making me hype. You guys are making me want to stay. But I have to. or it'll mess up the video rollout. The video is literally going live right now. All right, guys, girls, ladies, and gents. And we are out.